How to change or set default PDF viewer on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how you can do it. So let's get started without any delay. So for that, you can just head over to your device's settings first and then open it up. And from the given option, scroll down and head over to apps and open it up. Now, once you head over to apps, the next step you can do is you can use the search bar at the top and look out for your PDF viewer, which has been set as default, for example, Drive. Open it up, and then you should be finding this. So you can head over to storage from here, open it up, and clear the cache and also clear the data if necessary, and close it up. Now, once it is closed, you may just go ahead and look out for your PDF file that you would like to view. For example, I would like to view this PDF file right here. So you can just go ahead and locate that PDF file and click on it. And then once you click on it, it gives you option to open with. Now here you can set up your default PDF viewer. So for example, if you want to set your device's default, for example, Samsung PDF viewer or video as as your default one, you can select that a particular application and click on always. And once you do that, it will be set as a default PDF viewer on your Android device. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.